Hey, look, this is the Elegoo Neptune 2, and actually we just prepped the review for this, and you should see it really soon. In fact, maybe in a couple days. But you know what? Since we're done filming this and the cameras are out, I think it's only appropriate to do another Fan Mail Friday. There you are. Welcome back. Up on deck. On deck. Words are hard right now. 2 packages. 2 envelopes, and we're just gonna go, we're gonna start at the top. So this one, from Robin, I'm gonna cover that. I want you to look. Postage due. Postage due. That's okay, I paid the $3.35. Let's see what Robin sent. Oh my goodness, make sure I got everything. Good. Inside we have what appears to be puzzle pieces and a note. Hey Joel, my name is Henry and I am 12. Hi Henry, I'm Joel. It's good to meet you. I own a CR10S Pro and I started 3D printing back in 2019. Ever since I got my first 3D printer, I've loved watching your channel. You've inspired me so much, I finally made a channel of my own. Oh, wow. If you go to, there's a URL here. So it's a bit.ly address, so bit.ly/high5joel. I don't know, head there, let's see what happens. I do all my own filming and editing. The first video I watched of yours was the 3D printing nuts and bolts and screws using Fusion 360 and McMaster Car. That was a fun one, that was for the OpenRC project. And it totally gave me 3D printing fever. In the past, I've 3D printed Iron Man and Mandalorian helmets, custom parts for builds, and other random stuff. 99% of 3D printed objects are random stuff, of course. I'm sending you this, and you probably know what it is already, or not. It is a display for multiple benchies. Not sure if it is benchies or benchies, words are hard. Hey, I said that at the beginning as well. I printed it on my CR10S Pro and MatterHackers Build Series Yellow PLA. I found it on Thingiverse. It's thing number 3262399, and I thought it would be great for your 9 benchies you printed on 9 different 3D printers. Sorry about the slight elephant's foot. My Z offset was a little off. Each piece will need some convincing with the back of a screwdriver. Violence. And then it will be locked into place. Hope you like it. High five, Henry K. Oh, look at that. Well, thanks, Henry. That's pretty awesome. It's a display piece. Oh, I see. Okay, so then they snap together. Wow. Convincingly so. I guess I could just put it down from the top, too. I wonder if they go better that way. Nope. Okay. That's kind of fun.
Well,
Dang it. Is that even gonna? Ah, there we go. So it looks like there's end pieces. There we go. Wait a minute. I still have those benchies. Here, I'm gonna turn it around. This, I'm not gonna lie, is fantastic. I don't want to put those greens together. There we go. Look at that.
beautiful.
I should send this to Pooch.
Yes. He won't know it's coming because he doesn't watch your videos.
He doesn't watch my videos. He won't know what's coming. Well, this is, let me just make sure. Did I get the name right? Henry, right? Henry? Henry! Thank you for this. This is actually ultra fantastic, and I think it might brighten someone else's day as well. Thank you very much. Next is something from, who is this from? This is from International Economy. From return, it's got a return address. It doesn't have a return person, and it's slightly open. So let's do that. Okay. Inside, oh, look at that. We've got US money, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a letter. We have a letter. Oh, we have a return envelope. Okay. Oh, perfect. Hey, Joel. I hope this letter finds you and the family well in these uncertain times. I'm doing well. Thanks for your well wishes. Sean, how you doing?
Great.
Sean's doing great as well. I'd like to start this letter by thanking you for everything you do. day in and day out for the 3D printing community. I look forward to every new video you bring out to see what shenanigans, or as I say, shenanigans. Get it?
Stop.
You get up to laugh along with it. I'd also like to thank you and the community for rallying around and raising amazing amounts of money for the children, and I'd like to do my small bit. I'd like to donate this crisp $5 plus anything that's left over after postage. I do apologize that I can't get US stamps over here in Wales, so I'm including postage money. Again, thank you and the community for the laughs and 3D printing content. Hashtag high five. Hashtag aggressive kindness. Yes, Mike Harrison. Well, Mike, you gave me a crisp 5, but these ones as well, I think it's only appropriate. These go to the kids, and I will handle the postage. So let's get down to business. First things first. Mike, you're across the pond. I'll pick up those international stamps. Don't you worry. Thanks for the money for the kids. You, sir, you get stickers. Hey, now we're getting into boxes here. This says it's from Alex G. Alex G. Oh, and look, here, let's see. I'll cover that up. And that up, but look at that, it's got a wax seal. A wax seal? Nice. And a ribbon. Can I save it?
Yeah.
Just want to like put a magnet on it or a pin or something. That's pretty cool. Well, let's open this up, shall we? I'm gonna use the razor knife of truth and hopefully not injure myself. It's entirely possible that I do. Ooh. Okay. Hey Joel, during the pandemic, I've had free time to pick up some hobbies. I've wanted to get into 3D printing for years, and because of your videos, as well as some of your fellow 3D printing YouTuber friends, I've gotten my first printer and had a lot of fun. Thank you for the videos. Also, I've gotten into writing pen pal letters and fan mail letters. You opened my holiday card on a Fan Mail Friday, and it was really exciting to see a reaction to all the random stuff I sent out. Love, Alex. First of all, dude, look. Look at that. That's cool. Okay, well, let's see what's inside. Inside, okay, this bag I think is for stuffing. Cool, free bag. Okay, look at this.
Oh boy.
And look at this. And look at this. I think I know what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a Ghostbuster sticker. And there's a Homer Simpson sticker.
Wow.
That's cool. Both of those. Very cool. Sandman. I'm not familiar, but I think that's kind of neat. It does say DC on it. Is Sandman a DC character? Oh, that's right. He battled Spider-Man.
No.
I want to see your reaction. That was perfect.
Probably.
There's a note on this one, though. P.S. I saw the excited crafter look when you were talking about the wax seal on my last letter. So here's a starter wax seal kit. Use 3 or 4 wax beads in the spoon. Hold the spoon above the candle until fully melts, above the flame, not in the flame. Pour the melted wax, press the seal in, and wait at least 20 seconds or so to let it cool. And look, it's a, can you see that? Yeah. It's a butterfly.
Is it?
Isn't it?
No.
It's a bee or a moth or it's an insect.
There you go, it's an insect.
I was close. My eyes are old, don't judge. Okay, that's kind of neat. Wow, this must be handmade. This is incredible. Like, I want to wax seal some stuff now. This is amazing. Alex, thank you. Thank you so very much. I'm gonna save your wax seal and these stickers as well. And this is gonna come in really handy and I'm gonna use it one day. And well, honestly, truly, thank you. Last and certainly not least, a package from Will. He's known as Sir Will on the Twitters. And I had to confirm that I got the box because he asked. And so I did. So I'm using the package opener 5000 to get the tape undone. I have an idea. what's inside. My guess is candy. It's my guess. My guess is candy. Ooh, so right up top, there's a letter. Hey, Mr. Joel Telling, aka 3D Printing Nerd. It's me. I've really enjoyed learning from you and your videos. You are a great resource for the 3D printing community. I'm enclosing a donation for Seattle Children's. I am very thankful for all they do. I've also sent you some power pellets. I knew it! Save the big box for movie night with the family. Open that 5-ounce box now and power up. No, I mean it. Open the 5-ounce box now. After you power up, open letter 2. Okay. Oh, look at, no joke. Look at that. Letter 2. Okay, there's instructions here. Here is a return envelope. $20 for the kids. Will. That's amazing. Yes. And inside, look at this. Movie night with the family. Open right now. Sean, you want some milk dudes?
Yeah.
I kind of want some milk duds too. They're kind of good. Do you have a thumb hole in your hoodie?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a millennial.
Oh, jeez. Thanks.
I shared with Sean.
Oh, I don't think you can eat these.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at this. Will sent 3D printed milk duds. They sound like milk duds when I was rattling,
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah.
And you're like, you can't eat these. And I'm like, why can't I eat these? And then I look and I'm like, I go like this and I go, wait a. Okay, one, that's awesome. That's awesome. They're the perfect color. They look like milk duds. They look like little power pellets. But two, it means that you opened one of these up and ate them yourself. All right, here's letter 2. This is probably where he laughs incessantly and says, I got you. He got me, dude. He got you too.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little present I printed for you. I collaborated with Builder's Mark, another amazing human, who made the STL I printed. The brown isn't the ideal brown for them, but it is what I had. That is filament matte brown. These were made on my Mark 3S. Never had so many failures as I did with these, but after 2 days, I got enough decent ones to fill the box for you. As an interesting lesson, I learned about sequential printing in the Prusa slicer, which really allowed this to work. After trying to print a sheet full of them normal and have one break loose partway through and messing up the whole sheet, I found this option. Sequential printing is cool. It's where on a 3D printer, if you have multiple models, it'll print the first model fully and then print the second model. It takes special settings to do, but when you have those settings in your slicer and you do it, it's actually kind of cool to watch. In fact, Tom Sandlatterer used this sequential printing, I think when he was printing some test pieces a while back, and it was neat to see. I had to reduce the number per job, but having it do one at a time before going to the next one if it failed, while still having several good ones already done. That is fantastic. Just stop the job, clean, and start again. Making this for you has allowed me to learn even more about this hobby. Enjoy your power pellets and keep doing what you do. Will, that's fantastic. Plus, you said it right there. Being able to get this STL from Builder's Mark and find an efficient way of printing these for this project at hand, you learned something from it. And that's what 3D printing is all about. Like these are.
That's fantastic.
Let's just make sure. Let's just okay.
Real milk dudes? Nice, that's good. That's good. Nice. Yeah. Compare.
Oh, I should. I mean, these are shiny. Those are not. But other than that, it's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Now I'm gonna have to 3D print my own Milk Duds box in multiple colors to put those in. This is amazing. Well, let's get down to business. First things first. Will, you sent not only an incredible gift that you learned from while you made it, but $20 for the kids at Seattle Children's Hospital. That's amazing, sir. Thank you for that. Thank you for being a positive force in the 3D printing community. And you, Will, you get stickers. I think that's a great one to end on and celebrate another very successful Fan Mail Friday. Thanks for joining me on this journey of opening wonderful things. Obviously, sending something into the channel, never ever required. But if there's something you want to send in, such as some 3D printed milk dudes, the address that you can do that is in the description of every video we put out. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Practice aggressive, practice. I always lose it at this. I have so many things to say. Ready? One shot, here we go. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Practice kindness, aggressive. As always, high five. Nailed it.